One of the many things that's exciting about the new equipment program here is that we now have a collaboration with Sony and Sony's partner Vistec to provide the full suite of Sony cameras to our students, training them on the A7 III as the first platform and then progressing to the Sony FX3 and the Sony FX6 as they move through the terms, both of which are cameras that see significant traffic and are used in dramatic production for both documentaries and narrative projects. The Sony FX3 is an exciting camera, and Sony introduced it into their lineup in that it has a full-frame sensor, but many of the functionality that a smaller mirrorless camera offers. So it's a great option for us to offer our students. To be small, portable, yet working at a level that is actually Netflix approved, and was most recently used on a project called The Creator. Another thing that's exciting was to be able to work with the new generation of LED lighting that is now made by companies like Aperture and Amaran, as well as Aeroflex. We also have a wide variety of the legacy tungsten lamps made by ARRI, the Fresnel fixtures that are still tools that are used in our industry. So students will be trained both on legacy equipment, but also the newer, more sustainable LED equipment, which is becoming more and more the norm. And again, we have the ARRI Sky Panel here, which is one of their offerings on the LED side.
One of the most surprising things I learned when using the new equipment is how easy it is, especially for the lights. One click on my phone and it turned on the light. Another click on my phone and it was flashing the light. The process is pretty easygoing. You type in everything that you need, send it into the equipment room, and day of you go and pick it up and it's all ready and packed up to go for you. And the equipment guys are fantastic here. They even explain stuff very well if you're unsure about something. Using the same equipment as industry professionals is really inspiring. There's a comfort there as well, knowing that I know this equipment, and going out into the real world and finding a career and a job is comforting and just overall really great.